on Westway.
Welcome to Crush Mind, where speed shatters reality and every crash is a thrill you won't forget. Get ready for explosive wrecks, insane collisions, and impacts that'll make your heart race. From high-speed chases to destructive pileups, we've got all the chaos you crave, packed into every jaw-dropping moment. If it's high-intensity, high-speed, and pure mayhem, you're in the right place. Strap in, hold on tight, and let the destruction begin. This truck driver was cooperative in the beginning, but the end was terrible.
What's going on, boss? Go ahead and set down the car for me.
Okay. Hold on for a minute, man. Damn. Let me roll my window. Man, let me roll my window. I gotta shut it to roll the window. Come on. Man, come on, man.
85 miles an hour. Still on the bypass. Right on Ashford Street, head north south.
This is the fastest chase I've ever seen. Let's go to the next chase. This chase is for a Sonic car. But this time the chase is different as the police are ahead and surrounding the criminal. There is no way to escape. GG, bro. Maybe the next time. This chase looks like it's from the GTA game. See what happened to this criminal. This is what happens when you give a child a car. Ya Allah. A dead accident. This man tried in every way, but the unexpected happened in the end. He started to increase speed. The man is still insisting it, but I think the end is very near.
jeans, blue jacket, red shirt.
The police become very close and the criminal situation is getting worse. I think surrendering here is a great idea.
Okay. On the ground. Okay. Let the dog roll over. Give me your hands.
Okay, wait, get the other hand, get the other hand. Okay, get the other hand. Get the other hand. Wait, I can't. Get the other hand.
Give me the other hand.
There you go, okay.
Oh!
Yallah, what a moment.
Твою мать.
Hesitation is a problem on the streets. Who was wrong in your opinion? Bro is coming strongly. This one is really scary. Rushing always causes accidents.
Ой, блядь.
The weather really looks terrible.
Сука!
This accident is fatal. Bro is coming strongly. What a crazy hit.